Good day everyone, today we will be reviewing an app called Plicker. Plickers are paper clickers that serve as a student response system that all on paper cards. It is an application that allows teachers to conduct formative assessment or which are ongoing assessment. It used to monitor student learning and provide feedback for instructional purposes. To start with, you'll have to get an account or sign up. So when you sign in, you can either add a new class or use the demo class to get started. As you can see in the left side of the screen, the different sections serve specific purposes to help users to manage and navigate through their assessment. New set. It allows users to create and start new assessment. It provides option to choose the type of assessment activity. Teacher can create question to assess student understanding. Discover section. It provides access to a library of a pre-made assessment activities created by other teachers. So this section is useful for discovering new assessment ideas and saving time. Library. It serves as a repository for all the assessment. Teacher can save and organize their own created assessment. Recent section. It displays the most recently accessed assessment. Provides a quick way for teachers to revisit and continue working on assessment they have recently accessed. Report section. It provides insight and data analysis of student performance. Score sheets. It allows teachers to manually enter or import score. So this section helps teachers to consolidate all assessment scores in one place for easier record keeping. As you can see, under the classes, you can create a class and even create multiple. So by clicking New Start, teacher can add his or her class code and can even import it to Google Classroom. For instance, biology. So by this time, I can now add my students. So you can type it manually or you can copy or paste it if you've got a list. So right after, click Next. You'll see now that my student had the assigned number. And I can sort and filter this in different ways. It could be as entered, sort by first name, or sort by last name. Plickers allow teachers to add questions and provide multiple choices for their assessment. For instance, the adult human of average age and size has approximately how many quarts of blood? A4, B16, C10, D8. You can also customize the font, color, italicize, and even underline it. So at the right side of the question, you may add image, video, sound clip, sound library, and GIF to your question. So teacher can edit the assessment before conducting online class or in-person session. So this flexibility allows teachers to tailor the assessment to their instructional goals. By selecting the lesson from biology class, click Help and find the Get Plicker cards. The app provides a standardized layout for the assessment question and answer choices. Afterwards, print out the Plicker cards. So you'll see in every edge of the cards, there are letters and this serves as the answer of every question. So students turn the card based on the answer they wish to display. Once done, it is important to download the application on your device and sign in using the same account. Next thing you'll do is choose App Library and choose the question set. So play through quiz while navigating to your phone. This will then play the question on the board as well as on your device. So you can switch backward and forward between the question using your phone and select the blue button. So once done, put the cards app and scan all the student cards using your phone. Then it will capture all the responses automatically. Then the names will be displayed with the results. The advantage of using this app is it can be accessed in a variety of educational contexts and utilized in classrooms without a dependable internet connection. Also, it is simple to set up and operate. All that is needed is a teacher's smartphone and student printable cards. However, the disadvantage of using Plickers is that It requires manual data entry, which can be time-consuming for teachers to track student performance and progress. It depends also on the line of sight scanning, which can be inaccurate in cases when cords are not held up properly or in dimly lit environments. The fourth is that it is cost-effective and accessible solution for formative assessment. It also provides immediate feedback and simplifies data collection for educators.